Good morning! Saturday! Breakfast time! At ako magluluto! Yay! Watch me!
Hello, hello! Good morning! Happy Saturday morning! So, ngayon kami ay magluluto ng aming breakfast. So, I decided to cook for everybody. Since I am awake na early this morning to pick up Matthew from the airport, I woke up at 3:35. His arrival was 5 o'clock. So, I just got ready because I don't want to be late. I was so excited to pick him up. So, yes, this is breakfast with love. Okay, so now for my first dish, ang aking linuluto ay ang San Andres tapa. Masarap to, guys. You should try and look for this type of tapa. This tapa has always been our go-to tapa when we were young. So my mom would always cook this for us and it's always a winner. In fact, even my classmates would go to the house for study groups. Ito dapat ang aming menu for lunch or even for dinner or even midnight snack. They would always request for this tapa. Super sarap. You should try and look for this one, guys. Promise you, it's very, very yummy. Here's the egg. So I'm also cooking egg on the side. And even if I try really, really hard, nakita nyo naman, guys, palpak pa rin yung aking egg. Ganyan talaga. I don't know the technique, how others do it so perfectly. Because while it's still on the pan, it's so perfect. It doesn't look perfect. It just is perfect when I cook it on the pan. But as soon as I transfer it to the plate, iba na usapan, guys. Hindi na siya maganda. Sobrang pangit na niya. Yan. So, mag-attempt na naman ako. Actually, I made 4 eggs, pero hindi pa rin siya okay lumabas. So, this video, hindi ko alam kung masistress kayo watching me or marerelax kayo watching me. Kayo nang bahala, guys. But this is as raw as it gets. This video is actually unplanned. I just thought of cooking and then I realized, maganda yata yung lighting natin ngayon. So, I tried using my phone and taking a video and mukhang maganda. So, I said, okay, pwede ko na yatang i-video to. Let me share this video. I'm not really sure whether you will like it, but I just want to share it. This is it. This is just so raw. And even my script is no script. I just want to say whatever I want to say now. Maybe just to get to know me better also. And wala lang. I just want to share this morning with you. I am cooking the tapa in 3 batches. Actually, it's 1 pack. And then I just portion it to 3. And then I slice it really thinly so that when I cook it, it gets really cooked on all sides. And then it becomes crunchy. That is my strategy for a perfect tapa. Hindi siya, guys, na parang 1 piece of big tapa and then you have to use a knife to slice it up. My tapa version is bite size. Masarap siya. Pwede siyang pulutan. So, nakita nyo, guys, now I'm also doing another egg. Fried egg. So, yan. Let me see how it will turn out. But I'm just gonna tell you, guys, palpak na naman siya. Okay, now time for the xiao long pao. So mainit na yung aking water, nag-boil na siya. So that's the xiao long pao. I bought this from just a small store. It's frozen and it comes with a sauce. So Maxine requested for this and I'm trying to, well, I think this is our second time to cook this and masarap siya. So yeah, so I try to buy different stuff for the house para naman we don't have to order grab food or anything. Basta I just buy stuff that makes eating interesting, paiba-iba, what I buy outside mga fruits na ganyan, especially on weekends. So we have different ulam naman. Even this is not really our typical breakfast meal, but it is Saturday and we are kinda complete. We're just missing Gabby, who's in Singapore pa rin. And I'm just so happy. Yes, yes, yes. That is my second attempt. So, palpak pa rin, but hey, it's made with love. And I'm so proud of my tapa. I'm just so proud of myself this morning. Okay, and for my meal number 4, it's corned beef. So, number 1 is tapa, then I have the egg, then the xiaolong pao. So, I'm making corned beef. I'm so happy I'm making corned beef. So, ang dami-dami ko palang linuluto, but it's okay. We can eat them. And pag minatira, we can also have them for lunch. So, yan. So, I'm just using the same pan that I used for cooking the eggs. So, now I have that garlic and onion. So, I'm starting off with the garlic and then onion. But at times, I start off my onion and then garlic. So, it depends. Actually, I have no rule when to start with the garlic or the onion. But I felt like starting with the garlic today. There you go. Yan, yan. So, it smells so good. Yep, yep, yep. And since I want to use the same pan I realized that my corned beef is too small for my pan. So, yep, maliit siya. And I have to use another spatula for me to stir the corned beef. Yep, so okay, now turn natin, move it to another side naman, don't get bored. So there is my corned beef. Actually, you see, si Belen is not even aware that I am taking this video. Okay lang. Yan. So, candid siya talaga. See? Hindi pa rin niya nakikita. Ang sarap niya. I think nakalimutan ko na yung xiaolong pao at this point. Yan, si Nanay Lina. Hello, hello, hello. Siya ay gagawa ng adobo at fish namin for later. Parang bangus na fried na may teriyaki sauce and then garlic on top. Yes. Now back to my tapa. Perfect. The xiaolong pao packet came with the sauce. It's frozen kasi galing sila sa freezer. So, I have to put it in the microwave. Actually, akala ko konti lang yung sauce. Hindi siya enough. But after you realize, you only need a little of the sauce for your xiaolong pao. May natira pa nga eh. Yep, yan. Okay, I'm almost done. Is this cooked? I'm not sure. Wala akong peg. But I think it needs to be transparent yata. Para hindi siya masyadong looking like doughy. I don't know the right word to use, pero parang dapat hindi siya masyadong matigas. So anyway, so now I'm doing the fried rice. No garlic, just salt and nor. Oh, good morning, Clara. Thank you for preparing our dessert. Frozen cherries, lemon and lime. Lemon and orange. Thank you. Wow. Almost done. Guys, thank you for watching until the end. For those who've watched it till the end, thank you very much. I hope it entertained you somehow and it made you feel great because you know that I'm such a loser in cooking. Maraming salamat, and I have to tell you now, I forgot to take pictures of the meals that I prepared. Excited yata ako sobra and we just started digging in. So maraming salamat. Yan. So lilipat ko na siya sa serving bowl. Yep. So excited! Woohoo! Yan, gutom na rin ako. I don't usually have breakfast, but this time I just want to eat them because I prepared them. Oh, andyan pala si Nanay Lina.